Hello and good day, good afternoon, and good evening, you amazing hackers. It's your boy, the Humble Hacker from Chi-Town, Sharon. I'm back with another video. Today we're still going to be attacking the DoD, seeing what military targets that we can find. Dope part is that last week's stream on my Patreon, where we do deep dives into the targets that we find on Monday's Map the App video. Oh, by the way, welcome to Monday's Map the App. And I was able to actually find a legitimate bug on that stream there and get it submitted and validated. Just waiting for it to be completed first. If you like the channel and want to support the channel, feel free to go ahead and check out my Patreon. You don't have to worry about the $25 membership one or anything. I had to pick 3 options and I only wanted 2. So if you want to go ahead and support the channel, you can do that and be able to join me on Tuesdays, where if I get enough people, I will live stream so we can have like a group deep dive into targets and stuff like that on our Tuesdays video. So that's about it. If you do like the channel, go ahead and drop a like and drop a comment. Go ahead and hit the share and subscribe button to stay updated on all future content. And let's get started. So we are working on the DoD currently, and I want to get my music on. Not on here because I'll get the copyright in. But yeah, I have it just only in my own ears. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wild card the military and look up targets that have particular parameters in them, and then I'm gonna just create just a small list of what to hunt on. So here we have health.mil. So I'm gonna create a list of these, and I already have a small list already, so I'm just adding to it and everything. So this is gonna be health.mil. All right, and I'm looking at for the destination parameter. So I want to look up. Let's go with XSS first. So let's go with Q equals. See if we get a different. Let's see if we get different subdomains with that. Let's see. And if you look down here or in the bottom left corner, you see the entire URL. And all I'm doing, I'm just highlighting them to see where this parameter might be at and run it off for that. Okay, so nothing there. Move this over. Move this over. Yes. So I don't like search because it's too generic, and it's too typical. You know, like where it's like there's always going to be a search, something. You know, and mainly it's like the #1 place is going to get tested for XSS anyway. So that's why I don't like going for those. I just like going for whatever else. Let's see. Next one's ID. Let's see what we got. Some ID. Parameters. Alright. Now the part that sucks is that you can't wildcard in Web Archive, and that's basically where I sit the most. Where I just chill in there and then look for whatever I can that might help. So let's see, what was that parameter again? Keyword, right? I guess I was right. Yay! Okay, let's try something different. Let's use this one to do our hunting. Now I want to maybe look for, let's see. I wonder if you can find something in here. Trying to see if how I can search here. That's really awkward. Let's see. We got query here. I wonder. I'm trying to figure out why the equal sign ain't coming up. But hacking is about learning, so we're learning as we go here. Let's see. Oh wait, hold on. Let's see. Oh, son of a blip. Well, that sucks. Huh, I wonder why I can't. It's not giving me any results for stuff. Alright, well, then screw it. We won't. Hold up, maybe with an admin I can get something. No? Alright, smoke it. We'll just stick with our Durkin. Let's see here. Well, I am a military veteran, so a former member of the U.S. Air Force, so I can probably start with that, but I do. Let's go with this one, and this one. I think I already have this in my list, if I'm not mistaken. NRO? No? No, it's just, no, it's NGA. Okay, let's take, and this next one. Okay, and this one. Okay. One quick second. Let me manage some stuff real quick. Alright. So, we're going to start with health.mil in the Wayback Machine and see what we could find here. So, I'm going to pull up health.mil. Once it decides to okay, well, this is wasting time doing absolutely nothing. Let's start with another one. Let's start with nro.gov. Oh, good. Alright, so we're on health here. Now let's start looking for some parameters. Actually, let me put this over here, put this over here. let's, okay, in case we have, okay, hold up. No, we're on XSS. We're looking at that one first. So we're going to do QS search and ID. Okay, so you do have parameters. Okay, I was like, why is nothing popping up here? All right. That was search ID and language. As LA. Keyword. Let's. So the H is hash in regular H. L, just LA. Just W. Okay, so apparently health.mil does not have many parameters to work with. And what I was doing was, instead of typing each one of these individually, I just did the ABCs to see what question mark letter does it give, and it gives none. So I don't want to say I'm not messing with it because this is only the main domain and you can't use wildcards on Wayback Machine, which stinks on ice. So what we're going to also do here is we're going to make a folder called health. Then we already have NRO. Okay, so NRO, we already got that. Next is what does it say? Defense. Actually, let me just leave because those other two, defense culture, yeah. Meaning looking at these two here. So add these. Add health. Now I'm going to start digging for the subdomains here. Let that look. Taking its sweet derriere time. There we go. All right, then we're going to cat these targets, and we're going to get. We're going to use HTTPX to pull certain types of data from the target, from this target list. I want it to give me the title. I want it to give me the IP address so I can port scan it. I want it to detect the technology running on that application to see if it's like Drupal, WordPress, or whatever, and like if it's running like any type of like defenses like Akamai, Cloudflare, or whatever, giving me the status code of what it gave when it creates like the header request, the type of web server that it is, and then show me everything that was a status code of 200. Well, save as a file called servers, then print out the results that gives error code to 200. So what we're gonna do is wait for that to finish. Then when it does, just go up the list and check them all out. So let's start a new one right here. And so what we want is to confirm a 200 domain is legit 200, like it actually brings us somewhere. And then I want to see, like, if it looks interesting, I would do like Aquatone or whatever. But some pages you'll just steal like one page, and you'll still have like content in it that I wouldn't see if I just judge it off of like the screenshot. I hope that makes sense. I'm sorry. What I want to see is if anything is running anything like juicy or something. So I don't know if this is going to be something, because these may say 200, but it doesn't mean that they'll actually be live. And that's the other downside, because we have to manually check those, which is still cool, but it, I don't know. I just lost my train of thought again. My bad. Well, overall, I guess what my thought process was. Sorry, my brain like stutters, and when it does, like I completely lose track of everything. I was saying. So one thing to take note is that just because these say 200 does not mean that they are live. So we have to manually check them to make sure that they're live. That's what I was trying to get. That was the point I was trying to get across. All right. And like some of these don't have nothing in them, they're just there. So here's something. I think this might be a legit one. Let's see if this brings us anything. Okay, let's add this one. It may have something. May. Now this says it's Cisco Soiva. So I don't know if we'll have much in there. Yeah, that's what I was figuring. They'll just have like a login screen, and that's it. Let's see if this is anything. Okay. Okay. Let it do its thizzle on there. Let's look at NRO. And let's see what this presents us with. Oh, I thought this was something else. Hold on. I thought this was mil, but it's gov. Let's check this. Check this one. No, still digging. Still digging. So while we doing that, on that and on that, what we gonna do on nil here? We'll start content discovery. on these two to see what they have in them, and I use two tools for that. I use Pharaoh Buster as well as Dir Search. With Dir Search, yes, it uses like a small word list, but it does give like a. But it is pretty good for some of the results that it gives out, and then Forex Buster, yeah, Forex Buster. I was gonna call it Pharaoh Buster for wait. Did I call it Pharaoh the first time? I don't give a shit. All right, Pharaoh's Buster. I'll be able to see like the patterns for like the files and the directories that I have, because it'll give us like a directory that it finds in every other file that's in there. I just look at the directory and just go up from there. So let's go with. We're going to do Dir Search. What I like to use for Dir Search is because it helps make everything a lot cleaner. I filter status codes and then I exclude certain sizes. I start with 0 bytes, and if anything exceeds that, then I just add it to the exclusion list for either the status code or the size. Okay, so we're getting some good targets here. So we had, okay, so we're on health.mil. This one's still going on that particular one. Now we have 2 results here using Dir Search, but 301s normally redirect to something else, so I don't really pay attention to those status codes. So here, this error HTML, it may have some juicy info on it, but then again, it might just be a rather maybe like a regular you in the wrong place, mother sucker, type of like a message, and then also there's only 1 kilobyte in it, so it's unknown that that would be legit to something. Okay, so here's some weird. Looks like a command injection. So we can see if this maybe works, or if it's already been fixed. High chance it's already been fixed. So this is almost done. So all right. So that's done. So we're gonna use Ferox Buster, and we're gonna use the -S to only present status code numbers, and I want only to give me status code 200. I don't want anything else other than that. So I'm just go ahead and go copy that, insert that, yes, okay, and go. Alright, so let's try this again. Alright, so we couldn't connect to it, which stinks so nice, which also raises the interesting question of, would this even be legit of a path? So, yeah. So this is not like an error message or something that has anything like in it. It just says your request was rejected. So it's not legit, which is good, because we're not allowing the automation to dictate what we do and how we interpret if there's something that's there to exploit or not. So yeah, yeah, that's right. That didn't do a damn thing on the Pharaoh Buster, so I'm gonna try to use this one now. This new other subdomain that we got. Okay. Okay, so nothing there. Let's see. Do we have? Let's see. Let's see what this one has in it. Okay. Huh. Okay, so nothing there. Weird. Oh, never mind. Okay. Alright. Let's see if we can. Okay, so I can connect, but it's just like they're not live. Alright. Or it's just not connecting to them. Okay. Damn, that is super weird. Like nothing is connecting here. What the hell? This does bring me to a page, so why is this acting like it can't scan them or can't connect? Doesn't make no damn sense. Super weird. But this isn't erroring out though. But it's weird that the other one is. Let's. Okay. so let's see why this is not like why this is not like why can't this connect? Nothing can connect. I'm like, why? Does he like an update or something? Okay, this is freaking weird as well as annoying. That like this is like not. Okay, so this is like pretty annoying that like nothing. Okay. Let me try on my VM. I don't know why the hell my damn VPS decides to just not want to work or not scan any of these. Let me also try something different too, like a different thing in the military or something. Okay, so you can connect to there. Alright, so, okay, so it can connect to here. So let's DoDIG, so okay. Okay, so let's try this one. And let's see what we can find off of it. Oh. Okay. And again, since this is the main app, I don't test for bugs on the main app. I don't. Because it's a waste of time. It's the main app. It's gonna be like the most secure out of everything else. So I'm just seeing if it'll put anything extra in kiddie here. Just seeing if it's like if what's added to this here. That's all. That's my main thing. So let's find out. Okay. All right. I'm gonna take this. Copy that. Okay. We're going to collect the subdomains for DoD.mil. Then we're going to take those targets again, run them through HTTPX. Then we're going to look for the subdomains here. Once it decides to give us a flipping list. So we currently have the 2 domains from health.mil, and we're going to look for this organization as well, and use those to hunt on Tuesday's video. Just decides to hurry up. All right, so what else we got? This one was last. Let's see if this is anything. Okay, this is still health.mil, but if it says Cisco, it's going to be a login screen, so I'm not going to mess with it. Okay. Oh, and I guess that's it for NGA. All right, so start from the bottom. Now we're here. To see what we get. So this is a VDI. Well, it's possible, so we'll put it in the list anyway. We'll put it in the list just as sanity check, see what it'll do, or if it leads to anything. Not saying that it will or it won't, but just in case. Are you gonna bring us anywhere, or are you just gonna keep spinning like a realm on dubs? Alright. This thing is just gonna... Alright. This thing's just gonna keep spinning like a realm on dubs, so we just gonna get rid of it. Get out of our face. Out of our faces. Let's see if this gives us something. Alright, so this is like we're API. Let's see if we can enumerate it later for tomorrow's vid. Let's see. NS Greg. This is standards registry. So we might find something here if we enumerate that too. NS Reg. Okay, I'm gonna add that. see. All right. I'm all geared up to watch Ninja Kamui today. Any anime fans out there? Let me know what y'all watch out there. Let me see. Okay. All right. Spinning like rims on dudes. So. Okay, cool. All right. And I want to build out my dork here because yeah, the ones that we didn't see anything from. Let's see. Let's add Air Force. Subfinder. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna let that go. I'm gonna let that go into its thing, and keep going with all these other ones. Okay. Damn. You're just taking your sweet ass time. Well, I also am running HTTPX multiple times too. So that might be it. Alright. Alright. Let's get on it. I'm turning on my VPN. VM. I'm turning on my VM, my virtual machine, to assist me in enumerating live hosts using the .mil. So, what I will do is carefully add these targets to my virtual machine. I felt my stutter kicking in, so I have to like smooth it down. My speech. Okay, make a new folder called Air Force. Let me open that up. me a second. Let me see if this is configured correctly on my end. Alright, so this is still going. It's still okay. So we're getting some. Yeah, my yeah, Subfinder didn't have my API keys in it on my virtual machine. So now I gotta manually add these joints. This sucks. So I'm whipping my head back and forth because I got 3 screens. So I'm looking over here, looking over here, looking over here, looking over here, looking over there, then back over here, back over there, 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 back. That's yeah. Okay. All right. What the hell did I just look at? Okay, so what's my next one? Looking for my API keys. And these are very helpful when it because you get so much with my where I have my API keys from. I think I have like 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. No, 4. Okay, my bad. 4. Damn, my voice cracked there. 4. 4. There we go. All right. All right. Still waiting on this one to go. Let's check on this one. Okay. How about this one? Kind of. Alright, I only got 1 more left. Okay. Alright, so okay, gonna run this here. So, let's test to see if the API keys help. We originally got 2,138 subdomains with no API keys. But with API keys, we got 5,384. So that's good to look at right there. So, hang on. So because I did not do this on my VM, I have to do this here. Okay. Okay, so I'll let that go. So I'll probably put my focus on like the Air Force, as far as in terms of a military target. Okay, so let's see where we at. We have some on that one. Okay, so this is done. All right. Okay. East meat. I was like, the fuck. I realized that was one that I already saw. All right. Let's go bring this up in our browser and see. Okay. All Alright, so I'm going to add this. Okay, so that's all we got for that. This only has one. Damn, man. Out of 2,193, it only has one. But it says code of 200. And it's for the main app. That's. Oh, God. That's just frustrating. So. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. Doesn't really give me much. Yeah, it's kind of just like it's kind of like basic. What is this? It just says Microsoft IIS. So you have no title. You have no name. Manage IQ. Okay, so this is trying to look for something that might be interesting to look at. Boards. Review. I'm just seeing what looks interesting and if it is actually interesting or if it's just garbage. What's with this? Collider test. Well, this is test, so you can probably mess with it. Business intelligence. Oh, what's this? It is missing. I will be right back, everybody. And we're back. All right. So, I wonder what this is. So we're looking at targets that we found that we're going to be looking into. Here's our current list. Here, little baby section to make it look a little bit cuter. There we are. A little more simplistic. Let's have it here. Here. Yes, my voice cracked again. I'll get it down. Let's see. We'll check out one more. Maybe this Marine Net because it has that return URL message here. So we're still. We'll do the Marines. Uh, we'll do the Marines too. No, let's just find another government organization. All right, we'll do that. How far did you go? Oh, good. Okay, you're already done. Yay! What the bump is a tesseract that is not related to Marval? I'm gonna see what this is real quick. Well, sure, I don't like it. Okay, so let's see. Just checking these out, just seeing, if anyone off top looks interesting at all. So we will still go here. Something obscure. What this is? Procurement Integrated Enterprise Environment. See what this is all about. All right. So you can't. Joint Base San Antonio. Let's add. Let's see which one. Okay, so not that one. Let's see which one of these we want to add as our last one. It's our last target here. I want to see what. Let me go through these, see if they look interesting to me at all. It looks like just hold articles and that's it. Okay. I don't like you. All right. Ooh. Ooh. Submit document. Oh shit. I need to log in first. My bad. Damn. What it is? I will add that to the list. So I was checking out my numbers. Okay. Alright, so we'll end this with that one. So let's look at what we got. And let's summarize what we have here. So we are going to be going over digging into the Air Force, nga.mil, and health.mil. look at these 4 and focus on those 4. And we will dig into out the back. We will dig into what? These on, well, or one of these on tomorrow's video on my Patreon channel. So we'll go ahead and end it here. If you like the content, hit like, share, and subscribe. And I will get stuff prepped for tomorrow's video. I am Sharon, and you guys have yourself a great weekend. I am out. Peace.